the Holy Land, our Holy Land. It inspires us all every day. This is the land where Jesus' family lived for generations before, where he was born and raised, established his ministry, and was crucified and rose from the dead. We have a responsibility to ensure it is a vibrant place, demonstrating the teachings of our Lord.
Hi, I'm Father Peter Vasko, President of the Franciscan Foundation for the Holy Land. I've been living in the Holy Land for the last 31 years and have had the great honor of ministering to our Christians over here. But in the last 25 years, I've seen in particular many problems facing our Christians, both in the economic and political arenas. It has gotten so bad that many of our young Christians are leaving the land of Christ. Most church officials are saying that if nothing is done to stem this Christian exodus, within 50 years Christianity could easily disappear from the Holy Land, and all we will have are empty religious monuments in museums and no living worshiping community. So in 1994, the Franciscan Foundation for the Holy Land was created to take up this challenge of stemming the Christian exodus. After many months of speaking with the local Christians as well as the local clergy about this challenge, education stood out as the #1 solution to stem the exodus. And so in the field of higher education, the Franciscan Foundation for the Holy Land is providing a free college education to any Christian student who is economically marginalized but has great academic acumen. Today, we have given over 450 scholarships, but more importantly, upon graduation, 90% of our students secure professional employment in the fields of business, education, engineering, law, and medicine. In the field of trade schools, our students study plumbing, electricity, carpentry, metal welding, auto mechanics, hotel management, and cuisine cooking. We have given over 180 study grants, of which many of them are now employed. In the field of music, we are providing 2-year programs for those students who wish to enhance their musical abilities at our Magnificat Musical Institute in Jerusalem. Needless to say, FFHL has many other humanitarian programs, whether it be the Boys' Home, Children Without Borders, Family Centers. But when it comes to the field of education, we see that it has provided a new hope for these future Christian leaders here in the Holy Land.
Hi, my name is Hanna Safar. I'm from Bethlehem. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I study in Birzeit University. I study civil engineering, and I would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Stanzel from Dallas, Texas, and for sponsoring me, and I hope to meet you one day.
Hi, I am Maya Majlaton. I live in Jerusalem with my parents and my 2 brothers, George and Chris. I study at the Hebrew University. I study communication, journalism, and international relations. I want to thank Mr. and Mrs. Mark Wishkmeyer of Dallas, Texas, for their help and support. Without their help and support, I wasn't able to study at the Hebrew University. I'm so grateful and thankful, and I hope to meet you one day. Thank you.
Hi, I am Lutfi Hodali, and I live in Jerusalem with my parents and 1 sibling. I am studying biomedical sciences and genetics at the Hebrew University. Thank you, Dr. and Mrs. Randall Krim of Dallas, Texas, for helping me. Without your support, I would not be able to fulfill my dreams and study at this wonderful school. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mariana Kawas. I live in Bethlehem with my mom, dad, 2 brothers, and 2 sisters. I study at Bethlehem University, and my major is biology. I would love to express my gratitude to Mr. and Mrs. Fields from Dallas, Texas, who support me while studying at Bethlehem University. This means so much to me, and I really appreciate it. And I also hope to meet you someday. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your support in helping us to maintain the Christian presence in the Holy Land. May the Lord give you his peace.
Generous giving allows us to sponsor hundreds of young people in their educational journey. Some of our supporters are able to provide a full sponsorship, while others make donations that, when combined, enables more students to attend school. All gifts are welcome and appreciated and go to support hardworking, deserving young people like these.
Together, the work of the Franciscan Foundation for the Holy Land has been transformational to thousands of those we call the living stones. We are grateful for you, our supporters, and pray for you every day. We know that without you, the work of the Franciscan Foundation for the Holy Land would not be possible, and Christians will be forced by economic challenges to leave this place, the cradle of Christianity. On behalf of the Franciscan Foundation for the Holy Land, Board of Trustees, and the Franciscans of the Custody, thank you.
Gracias. Grazie mille.
Dziękujemy bardzo.
Thank you for your support. ألف شكر.
Thank you, Gahamaraga, que se sacrificaste.
Voilà.